Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. General principle. The number of stereoisomers for a molecule with n independent stereocenters, no symmetry reducing them, is to n. If there is internal symmetry, mesopossibilities, the count is reduced. Part. A prostaglandin type compound ... Identify stereocenters. The cyclopentane ring contributes stereocenters. In a prostaglandin, PGE2 type molecule, there are 5 stereocenters. C8, ring carbon bearing the CH2, 5-CO2H chain. C11, ring carbon bearing O. C12, ring carbon bearing the alkenyl OH chain. C15, the allylic ChO carbon on the side chain. The double bond, EZ, counts as a stereogenic element. Total stereogenic elements is equal to 5, so stereoisomers is equal to 5 is equal to 32. Part. B. Estradiol type steroid ... The aromatic A ring eliminates stereocenters on that ring. The remaining stereocenters in the steroid skeleton are the ring junction carbons and the C17 position. In an estradiol type compound with an aromatic A ring, there are 5 stereocenters, C8, C9, C13, C14, C17, the CH3 and of bearing carbon. Total is equal to 5 is equal to 32. Part. C symmetric 12 carbon diol with 8 stereocenters ... The molecule is HOT2-ChO, 4-CH2, CH2-ChO, 4-CH2 of type with 8 stereocenters. However, the molecule has a plane of symmetry. It is symmetric about the central CH2-CH2 bridge. Because of this symmetry, we apply the formula. Total stereoisomers for a symmetric molecule with n is equal to 8 stereocenters split into 2 halves of 4 is equal to 2 n1 plus 2 n/2 1 is equal to 7 plus 2 3 is equal to 128 plus 8 equals 136. This accounts for non-mesoforms to 7 and mesoforms to 3. Part. D disaccharide with fixed stereocenters ... The structure shown is a specific stereoisomer, fixed configuration shown by wedges dashes. To find the total number of stereoisomers possible for this connectivity, the pyranose ring, left has stereocenters at C1, anomeric, shown as beta alpha, C2, C3, C4 is equal to 4 stereocenters, but C6, CH2O, is not a stereocenter. The ring oxygen linkage anomeric carbon is equal to 1 more. Count till 5 stereocenters in left ring. The cyclopentane ring, right has stereocenters at C1, linked to O, C2, C3, C4 is equal to 4 stereocenters. Total stereocenters is equal to approximately 9, including the glycosidic linkage anomeric center. Total stereoisomers is equal to 9 is equal to 512. Sum check. The question asks for the number of stereoisomers of each compound separately, with answers A is equal to 5, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 7 plus 3, D is equal to 9. Therefore, the correct answer is A to 5, B to 5, C to 7 plus 3, D to 9. The correct answer is shown on screen.